How do we create a bar chart with custom design, give a infographic look? So this is a product sales particular month, and this is the sales, and based on this sales data we prepare this bar chart. But here we give a custom shape at the end of each bar. So how do we create this bar chart in Excel? Actually here we will segregate this data in two parts. First part is the bar 1 and second part is the bar 2, because we want to give this custom shape at the end of each bar. That's why we need to segregate the data. If we select the second part, for example, just go to the format, and if you give a different color, you see that this is the different color, and this particular end shape is a different data. We need to segregate our data in two parts to create this chart. So let's take this data in a new sheet and formulate from the very scratch. So just copy this data in a new sheet. Here we take a random number. So how do we segregate the data here? This is the data. Here we just remove the data here. First of all, we calculate the data for the second bar. Here we take the minimum of each number, mean of our total data, divided by 4. So we need a equal number for each cell, because in part latter part is equal for the each bar, and so the rest bar is total cells minus the in part. We just copy it and make it a static number. Now we select the data and select the bar 1 and bar 2. Actually this is the segregation of this total cells data. Go to the insert, go to the 2D bar and take this stacked bar chart. Now we need to reorder this axis here. The axis name is not in the right order. So click in the axis name, right click, format axis, and select categories in the reverse order. Here we do not need this axis value anymore. Remove the grid lines and also the legend, and select the bar, right click, go to the format data series and take series overlap, series gap width as 30% and series overlap as it is 100% here. Now we need to change this in part of the bar with a custom shape. So go to the insert, go to the shape and take this shape as round same side corner rectangle. Shift and draw the shape. I take the shape again. Now we need to format this shape. Go to the select the shape, take shape outline as no outline, and take shape fill as this aqua color. Now we need to rotate this shape. Select the shape, go to the rotate, this is under format, and rotate it as 90% right. Here one thing you see, there is a yellow corner side. Just select and drag it to make the shape in a circular shape, so that it is now. How do you create it? Select this yellow sign and drag. So now it shapes like a circular shape. Okay, now select this shape, copy it, select the red part of the bar and paste it here, and now select the later part, other part of the bar, go to the format and take shape fill as the same color we choose for the our in part. Just increase the size. Now give the data value here. We want to give this data value in the bar. So select the bar 2 part, not the whole part, only select the bar 2, go to the chart elements and take the data labels here. Now we want to show the data of the total sales, not the bar 2. So select the data label, right click, format data labels, take values from sales. Here we take values from total sales. OK, and remove this value because we do not need the duplicate one. Select it. Now select the data label, go to the home, take font as TW empty and take size as 10 and choose it as white color. Now we want to give this month name at the end of each bar, not here to look at infographic view. We just select the second part of the bar here, second part of the bar, go to the data, chart elements, data labels. Now same way, select the data labels, right click, format data labels, select values from cells, and here in this case we select the month name here, click OK and remove this value, and we take the label position as inside base. So we place it at the inside base. Now go to the home, select the font color, font as TW empty and take font size as 10 and font color as white. Now we remove this month name in the axis level, select it, right click, go to the format axis. Here select labels and label position choose as none, because we will just remove the, so I just undo it, we will not remove the, delete the axis because we need a line here, that's why we do not directly delete the axis, rather we choose the axis, right click, format axis, go to the labels and take label position as none. In that case you see here there is a line here, axis line here. Now change the chart title as monthly sales and select the font as TW and take is 14, select the same color as the bar color, make it bold. Also select the chart area, go to the format, take shape outline as the same color of the bar. So this is our custom design bar chart with a custom shape at the end of each bar. So this bar looks like an infographic view. Hope you enjoy the video. Thank you for watching.